In this guide, I'm going to show you all of the controls here in Attack on Titan Revolution. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, we're going to start with keyboard and mouse. Of course, we'll get into controller later on. But you move using W, A, S, and of course D as well, with your left click being your attack and your camera controls being your aim with, right click. You can go ahead and enter in, shift lock as well by hitting control. That'll go ahead and allow you to not have to use that right click to control your camera. Something that I do recommend doing because the movement is pretty fast in this game overall. But for ODM gear, you press Q for the left hook and E for the right hook. This pulls you towards whatever you're aiming at. So say if I was in game right now and aiming at a tree, I'd go ahead and, latch onto that or, use that as well. But what you can also do is press space to jump. While you're hooked, space does become a boost, which gives you extra speed in the air. If you run out of blades though, you have to hit R in order to reload. Your abilities are going to be your number keys, and you can use them quickly in fight using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But really, the most important part in this game is movement. If you position yourself on the ground using WASD, line up your angle, then aim where you want to go, and press Q and E to launch. Once you're in the air, just use the space boost to keep your speed up, and you'll mostly be fighting mid-air, so don't really stay still at any points. You're not going to want to do that. But as long as you get used to changing hooks, boosting, and attacking, the movement becomes pretty easy and smooth later on. Just focus on mastering the ODM gear because that is the key to surviving. If you guys had any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.